bike check. My name is Koekoek, I'm a trials athlete, and this is my bike. Well, as you guys can see, actually, I've no seat at all. So basically we always have to stand up straight. Second thing you're probably gonna see is that my gear is really tiny. So it's like 18 in the front and it's a freewheel. So my chain doesn't go, and it's 12 in the rear. 20-inch wheels, and I have some disc brakes on it, so Hope disc brakes. That's really good. It's a carbon frame. It's actually made in Spain by Taboo. It's like based in Catalonia, Barcelona. Carbon fork, carbon handlebars, and yeah, what else can I say about it? Got some crazy grips on it here. If you can tell, they would call this bear claws. And if you do it well, the results will be something like this. So yeah, this is my trials bike. So